We have discussed about various web hosting providers in previous videos, such as Hostinger, Bluehost.com, GoDaddy.com, and Dreamhost.com. In this video, we will buy a web hosting from Dreamhost.com because it is very cheap as well as the best in providing great features in a single package. So let's get started. First, we will search here Dreamhost.com. Now we will go here in hosting. Here you can see different types of hostings like shared website hosting, VPS hosting, managed WordPress hosting, dedicated server hosting, and cloud hosting. If you want to know the differences between all these types of web hostings and which type of web hosting you should choose, then click on the suggested video. As I am going to create a small blog website, so I will choose here shared web hosting. Now let's see the packages which are available in shared web hosting. Here you have to choose the period for which you want to purchase the web hosting. So I will choose here 1 year period. Here you can see that there are different types of packages according to the period. If you will choose monthly period, then the prices and the features will be changed. I will choose a 1 year period, and in 1 year period you can see here two packages. The first one is shared starter and the second one is shared unlimited. In shared starter you can see all the features, like you can create only a one website. It will provide you a one free domain. Your website can be handled unlimited traffic, WordPress will be pre-installed, and you can see all other best features. Here you can see it is giving us free SSL certificate. And here is the another package, shared unlimited. In this package you can see here you can create unlimited websites, and free domain is also included in this package, unlimited traffic, WordPress pre-install, fast SSD storage, free SSL certificate, and unlimited emails. This package is looking better, so we'll choose this. We'll click here on sign up now. Here you can see three options. The first one is choose a domain later. If you want to choose the domain later, then you can click here on choose a domain later. If you want to register a domain right now, then you can click here on register a new domain. Or if you have already a domain name, then you can click here on I already have a domain. We want to register a new domain, so we will click here on register a new domain. Here I will search my desired domain name Govaja with extension of .com, and I will see that either it is available or not. Now here you can see that the domain is available. We will click here on add for. Here we will put all the information of the payment method, and then we will click here on add credit card. After this, here you can see some additional options. If you want these options, you can check these boxes. Otherwise you can click here on submit order. So now the order has submitted. Here we will put the password which we have set in previous step. Now we are on the home page, and here you can see that our WordPress website is setting up. Now the WordPress website has successfully set, and we will click here on complete setup. Here we have to fill this form for our website. After filling form, we will click here on create address. So now we have successfully created the address. We are on the second step right now. We will click here on home to navigate on the home tab. Now we will click here on finish setup to go towards the finishing setup. Now here you can see that we are on the second step. After this, we will click here on go to next step, and here we will activate our SSL certificate. We will click here on select this certificate. So now the certificate has successfully activated. Again, we will click here on finish setup. Now we are on the third step. Now we will again click here on finish setup, and here we will select the website. So I want to create an e-commerce website, therefore I have selected on e-commerce. So now we will click here on go to the next step. Here I will click on back to website. So now we will go on our website. We will click here on let's get started, and here we will choose a theme. So I will select this theme. Now I will click on next, and here I will fill this form for my website. So now I am on the dashboard of my website, and here you can see all the options of your WordPress dashboard. If you want to visit the front end of your website, then you have to come here and click here on view site. So we have successfully purchased the web hosting with free domain. That's all for this video.